Welcome back to GMC Live Reviews. We're with Ozti East Africa, and this is the team, the guys that do all the hard work. It's, what is it, 6:30 or something, and the guys just got back in. These are the guys that sort your problems out. They fit you in a brand new kitchen in your new hotel, or they maintain your existing kitchen if you have an Ozti product. And Valdemar and Shani, Hugo and Tanya, and Umari here, he's come to sort out some of my issues at my camp in the Serengeti. And reliable guys, reliable business, quality equipment.
Don't forget Stanley there.
And Stanley over there.
He's our Zimbabwean addition.
So he's going to come visit me next. I've got some problems. I don't have Ozti equipment, so I need to sort it out.
And we've got Rama. And he's not our full team. We're missing a few of our boys as well. They're not here. They've already been dropped off at home. Like we said, we've had a long day. I think you started at 7 o'clock this morning. Yeah. And just got back. We're looking now at 6:10.
Yeah.
So I think we should do what we normally then do on a... Okay, now tomorrow's public holiday, but let's consider it as a Friday. Normally we try to do some team building. It's not always possible, but can I invite you guys inside for a drink? We have obviously, we don't just build bars for other people. We have our own bar as well at Ozti. Yeah. It's not a public bar, it's just for us. So let's go in for a soda. Let's go in for a beer.
Well, I hope you have
And that's the end of the day. That's the end of a day.
That's it. Karel Frith, GMC Live Reviews. We're with Ozti East Africa and the team. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Splendid job.
Thank you.
Yes.
Good.